Welcome to the EPCB boiler production base. Today, we are about to send a 2-ton gas-fired steam boiler, which will set off for Central Asia to provide efficient and stable steam heat source for the sizing machine equipment of local textile enterprises. The boiler body of this 2-ton gas steam boiler adopts a wetback structure design, which effectively improves the combustion thermal efficiency and extends the service life of the boiler. The whole system is equipped with advanced natural gas burners and intelligent PLC control systems, ensure safety, stability, energy saving and high efficiency. The matching multi-stage centrifugal water pump has the advantages of high head, large flow, low noise, high temperature resistance, etc., and stable operation. The stainless steel water tank is corrosion resistant and durable, equipped with a liquid level monitoring device to ensure the stability of the water supply system. All valves and instruments are selected from high-quality industrial-grade configurations to ensure operational reliability. The shipment is transported in high-strength containers. The boiler and auxiliary equipment are fully cleaned before entering the box, and reinforced with multiple steel wires to ensure no displacement or shaking during transportation. EPCB Boiler is committed to providing reliable steam energy solutions to customers around the world. If you are also looking for efficient and energy-saving boiler equipment, please contact us.